For number 16, we'll be using ow again. So that's going to be the outside times the whole equals the outside times the whole. The outside of this segment is 4. The whole length is 18. Again, we added those together. We'll set that equal to the outside, which is going to be x, times the whole thing, which is going to be x plus 6. From there, what we need to do is 4 times 18, and we'll get 72, is equal to x squared, not 2x. X times x is x squared. If you're ever confused about which one it should be, just try plugging in 5. And then x times 6 is 6x. Then I will bring over 72, and I'll have x squared plus 6x plus minus 72. Let's turn that into a giant minus so we don't forget. 72 is equal to 0. Then we're going to set up our box. We know that we need to have negative 72 here and x squared here. In order to get x squared, we'll have x and x. Then we need to think of two numbers that when we multiply them together gives us negative 72, but when we add them gives us positive 6. So we can write down all of our factors of 72. So 72, I'll write my factors over here. 72 is 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 5 will not work, 6 and 12, and then I think we already found a winner. This whole time I was doing this, I was trying to think about how the larger number needed to be positive, and I would be subtracting the smaller number to try to get to 6. So if I have positive 12 and negative 6, this will be negative 6x, this will be 12x, and if I were to add these together, I would get positive 6x. So then we've got x plus 12 and x minus 6. So x plus 12 equals 0. X minus 6 equals 0. So if x plus 12 equals 0, x must be negative 12. And if x minus 6 equals 0, x must equal 6. It does not make sense for x... Oh, I'm so sorry you missed it. Let me pull you over. There we go. It does not make sense for x to be negative 12. But it does make sense for x to be positive 6. This is not going to be a negative 12 distance, so x must be 6.